friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. I am very much excited to do this video because today I am going to try all the varieties of Amul drinks, and these are all milk based drinks which has some fruits in it, some shakes, some chocolate and some nice spices like this elaichi, and also some healthier versions like ginger, haldi and honey also. So this video is going to be fun because we are going to try a lot of varieties here. In present I have near about 24 varieties of Amul drinks. So we'll try one by one and I will share you my experience. So let's get started. So friends, now we are left out with the 4 and very most important products that has been recently launched during this pandemic time, and these are ready to drink milk lattes in different flavors of honey, tulsi, turmeric and ginger. Now when corona was around the corners and we all were looking for some immunity booster, this is the time when Amul came up with this product. And here I have the 4 flavors and let me try one by one and let you know. So our first one is honey doodh or the honey latte, and it is 125 ml which comes for 25 rupees. So we'll shake it. Basically it is a combination of honey and milk. That's it, 9% of honey and milk solids. So as honey is rich in antioxidants, it is very helpful to boost your immunity. So let me just open and try this. Okay. Wow, it's a nice honey latte. You can get the nice flavor of honey and milk. Basically these are all superfoods and like honey, all Ayurvedic kind of thing. So like for corona around the corners, these are best, and you should always have one of this in your fridge so that it can help you when you want something like to boost your immunity or to feel energetic or something. So these are nice Ayurvedic approach. And regarding sweetness and milk consistency, it's the same, nothing much difference. Just the thing different here is there is a flavor and taste of honey. That's it. Very simple, very light and very healthy, and it's good for nowadays. Next we have the ginger doodh. Okay. Coming to ginger doodh, I have seen this in Gujarati families, or most of the people they drink ginger milk. So, but now it is in form of can and ready to drink ginger latte. Again, the price is 25 rupees for 125 ml with ginger powder of 1.8% with milk and sugar. Now, let me just try this. In the honey, I could feel the honey first and then the milk. Here you will first feel the milk and then you will get the taste of ginger at the end. And basically ginger are a little bit hotter on the sides. Here it's not like that. They have kept it mild and you will feel like fresh ginger, fresh milk and fresh ginger you have added, you will feel the same. Yeah, it's a good ginger latte, I could see. Instead of going to foreign brands and having their latte, why not we consume our Indian products and become vocal for local and promote our own brands. So this is nice initiative by Amul on the Ayurvedic side, on the healthier side. Now we have the tulsi doodh. Again, the price is same, 25 for 125 ml. They have 0.2% of Amul of tulsi extract. We know how powerful this tulsi, honey and ginger is for all our health. Like I remember when I was a kid and I was suffering from cold, my mother used to crush tulsi and honey and she used to give the drops every morning, 1 teaspoon, and that was a natural remedy or an Ayurvedic approach, to keep us healthy and from all the ailments. Now, the other two colors was little bit peach color, not peach, like little bit on the pale yellow color. This is a pale green color. Smells little bit like tulsi, and let's drink this latte, tulsi latte. Yeah, I think I'm very much impressed by this tulsi latte because I could get the taste of fresh tulsi, like I'm plucking it from the tulsi plant and consuming it. I could get the same. You can understand. I could get the same flavor here, and it's so matlab, it's touched my soul. I could say it's so nice. I'm going to a spiritual mode when I'm drinking this latte. It's like full of freshness of tulsi and obviously the goodness of tulsi. Something innovative. You could have never seen anything of tulsi in the market, and Amul is giving such a nice drink of tulsi and doodh in a can of only, what we say is only 25 rupees. So this is a nice thing to have. Like when we nowadays kids are not going to school, but every morning or evening they can, you can give such drinks to them. If you want, you can purchase Amul. Otherwise, you can make yourself at home and give them. That will boost their immunity. Now we'll taste the haldi doodh. Haldi doodh is like har ghar ki kahani. Every time when you fall ill, your granny or your mother will give you a glass full of hot milk with haldi, no doubt, before going to sleep. So this is in our culture and our tradition and in our blood. And yeah, the price remains same, 25 rupees for 125 ml, and they have 1% of turmeric powder. So let me try this turmeric latte. Yeah, it's also is like pale yellow color here, and yeah, I can feel the smell fresh. When I used to remember the when you grind fresh ginger, raw and fresh, not the powder one, the one which you get in term of a root. That when you grind it in mortar and pestle, the smell that fresh smell it is coming. I don't know how in canned thing they're putting such a nice fresh flavor, and haldi, we know all the benefits we know of haldi being a superfood. So let's take a sip. As I said, from the smell, I feel like I am eating haldi, raw haldi. So it's just like the same. Only it's a latte and it is chilled. That's the difference. Otherwise, you can get the nice flavor of haldi. Sweetness and texture, creaminess of milk remain the same in all four. But the thing is, what I like the most, they have said it haldi, tulsi, honey and ginger. They have lived up to it, and you can, when you drink it, when you take a sip of it, you can get their flavor in wholesome. It's not like something they're telling and they're not living up to it, but yes, you can get that flavor, and they have actually added it. They have also mentioned the percentage in which they have added. So these drinks are a must buy or a must to have during this corona period to improve your immunity. And thanks to Amul, they have created like Indian product for Indian people in Indian market. So these products are really a nice thing to have, like bringing our tradition to the commercial world, bringing our small homemade remedies to the world in form of latte. That was really nice. I tasted. So friends, that's all for today's video. I have completed tasting all these varieties and I enjoyed doing this. I liked some, I didn't like some were good, some were a little bit disappointing, but overall it was really nice. Enjoying each different varieties, range and flavor texture, awesome. And I hope you have also enjoyed, and thank you for watching all the videos of this. I hope you could have got a information to try out something if you haven't tried, and let me know if you have tried something other than this so that I can also put that in my wish list and try it. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, let's live, connect and grow. Bye.